Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best lobster bisque. To begin, select the freshest lobster available. This is crucial for a rich, authentic flavor. You'll also need a mirepoix of finely diced carrots, celery, and onions, which form the aromatic base. Don't forget a good quality brandy or dry sherry to deglaze and add a layer of sophisticated depth to your bisque. These key ingredients lay the foundation for an unforgettable soup. The heart of any great bisque is its stock. First, cook your lobster until bright red, then carefully remove the meat and set it aside. Next, sauté the reserved lobster shells with aromatic vegetables like onions, carrots, and celery. This step is vital for extracting maximum flavor. Finally, simmer these shells and vegetables with water for about 45 minutes to create a deeply flavorful lobster stock, which will be the backbone of your bisque. Now, let's build that velvety bisque base. Start by melting about 2 tablespoons of butter and whisking in an equal amount of flour to create a roux, cooking it until it's a light golden color. Gradually whisk in your strained lobster stock, ensuring no lumps form, and let it thicken. Finally, stir in about 1 cup of heavy cream and adjust your seasonings, adding a pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle warmth, creating that luxurious, smooth consistency. For the grand finale, gently fold your cooked, bite-sized lobster meat into the simmering bisque, warming it through without overcooking. Taste and adjust the seasoning, adding salt, pepper, and perhaps a final splash of dry sherry or brandy to brighten the flavors. Garnish with fresh chives or parsley for a touch of color and freshness. This elegant, rich lobster bisque is now ready to impress. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.